In the world of Instagram and social media, a girl's getting blown up every second. Hundreds of messages, thousands of likes and comments, and you think being nice to her will make her like you? Your attention has no value. You're being nice, but it's pointless because millions of people are already doing that to her online. How do you stand out? Many girls will ignore you, people will try to use you, and you will feel hopeless, thinking I am so nice. What did I ever do wrong? I always treat people well, but they treat me like a rock on the side of the road. The truth is, a lot of men fall into the nice guy category even without realizing it. Perhaps you or someone you know is always playing the nice guy. You are the nice guy. It's not your fault, whether you were raised without a father or not. The female-dominated education system, as well as the wave of extreme feminism, or maybe a combination of all the above, but it does not matter. The fact that you're watching this video proves that you want to change and quit being the little softy beta boy that you are. You're going to suffer. You can't hack having a personality. You can't trick a girl into thinking you're something you're not. If you want a woman to really respect you, then be a man worthy of respect. It's really that simple, and on top of that, it's one of the easiest ways to be a man. Respect means refusing to accept disrespect. You can be nice to women. I'm not saying don't be nice. The idea of being nice in and of itself has no value because being nice is something intangible. Nice is something that can be fabricated. Anyone can go out and be nice. We can be nice to people we don't like. Anyone can be nice. So if there's no skirt, there's no scarcity attached. Have something that is hard to fake. Something like status is very hard to fake. Lumbo is very hard to fake, but nice can be faked easily. But the point is, when a guy comes along trying to be nice, a woman instinctively kind of looks at him and goes, "Look, you just met me, you don't know me, and you're being extremely nice to me," and that's what degree warns them. That's deceptive on some level. That's the reason there's some are repulsed by it, like you knew me an hour ago. And you're being all nice to me. Like, what do you want? It just seems extremely fake, and you look like some creepy guy trying to get in her pants, even if that was not your intention. All nice guys think that if they're just nice enough to everyone, the world will give them exactly what they want. This is a fantasy world. The world is not just sunshine and rainbows. The reality is that the nicer you are at the expense of yourself, the more people will take advantage of it. The dark truth is that nice guys are very weak-minded and always try to avoid conflict and make sure no one is offended. If someone insults a nice guy, he will just shut up and let people walk all over him, which shows other people that he doesn't respect himself. So why should we respect him? Now let's look at an alpha or sigma. If you insult him, he will make sure to shut you up and make sure you don't disrespect him again. Looking at this, people will respect him more. Even the guy who insulted him will respect him more because the alpha did not let someone walk all over him. Alpha respects himself and his strong beliefs. Girls will look at this and feel more safe around him because they will know that he is a real man who can also protect her. Respect her and make sure no one insults her high-value men who have subscribed to us. Become someone of higher status, become better looking, go to the gym, stop busting fat nuts every day, and take care of yourself. I promise you, these things are hard to fake. People will see the glow that you give off and instantly respect you more. You will automatically stop being the nice guy. I mean, just imagine this. You are the most wealthy person in the room. Would you really care about anyone else? Now, I don't mean this in a rude or proud way. I just mean to imagine how good and confident you will feel. You won't try to put your head in someone's ass and try to get their love or respect. Instead, you will naturally and automatically feel that you deserve respect and that people should be nice to you. And yes, everyone will feel that aura from you and will be attached to you and drawn towards you, especially women. With this knowledge in mind, you will be shocked at how much potential you truly have as a man. This channel will be your guide to escaping the matrix. Help you become strong in all areas of life and unleash your true potential. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time.